With only 3 ingredients, make your meanest cheese without spending anything. For this recipe, we will need 2 liters of milk. Here I'm using a package of milk because it has more fat, but you can use the carton too, okay? After that, we need to boil this milk. The milk is already boiled, and now we will add 6 tablespoons of white vinegar. The vinegar will curdle the milk. If you're like me who loves cheese, comment down here that I want to know. The cheese in the supermarket is very expensive. Let's start to stir everything, and then we can already see the cheese right here. The milk curdles very quickly. Now guys, let's add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix again, and now it's time to strain the cheese. It's everything very simple. With the help of a sieve and a dish towel, let's pour our cheese on the dish towel. And my special hug today, guys, goes to Sharon from South Africa. She commented in our last video and she said it looked divine. Thanks for commenting, darling. Can you see how easy it is? With the help of a spatula, I'm squishing it so the serum can get out of the cheese. After that, I squeeze very much this dish towel to guarantee that it's all out. And you don't need to throw it out, okay? You can make other delicious recipes with it. I made the mold for the cheese here at my house. You just have to take an ice cream pot and make little holes with a fork on the bottom of it, so when you are going to take the cheese out, it will get easier. Now just put the cheese this way and press it with the spatula or with a pot like you see in the video. This process must be very fast, if not the cheese will get cold. If you like it very fresh, you can already consume it. But I prefer it harder, so I left it in the fridge and ate on the other day. I will unmold it so you can see how wonderful this cheese is. Look how firm it gets. At my house, everyone loves it. And also, guys, it's very cheap, so it's worth it to make it at your house, okay? So this was today's dish. I hope you liked today's recipe. Don't forget to rate me down here from 0 to 10. Which one do I deserve for today's recipe? Thank you for watching, guys. Goodbye.